Hi, this is Mrs. Prosser, and for this part of the bomb game, we're going to make some bombs. And I'll just remind you, if you're uncomfortable with it being bombs, you can always change it to something else. You could make cats falling from the sky. You really can do whatever you want as long as it's school appropriate. But I'm going to do bombs just because they're really easy to draw. So first off, we're going to need to go to animation and make an animation for the bombs. We're going to draw our own because it's good practice. And I'll call this animation bomb. And what I'm going to do is draw a circle. So I have the color set to black right now. I'm going to do a black outline for my circle. Maybe I'll do this size pen. And what you do when you draw this is you hold down the shift key. So you click, hold down the shift key, and it will give you a perfect circle. It's really nice. That way you don't have to try to get some weird oval. You'll get a perfect circle if you hold down the shift key. So again, that's the circle tool. And then I'm gonna fill in my bomb a light, well, go like a light gray. It should show up well if your background is dark or light, if you have a dark border and a light interior, or a light border and a dark interior. So once you choose another color, you'd use the paint bucket here to fill this in. So you click on the paint bucket and then click on the middle, and it will fill in and paint in that circle. Now, right now it looks like a ball, so let's make it look more like a bomb. I'm gonna go back to the black color, click my pen tool, and I'm just gonna give this bomb a little stem. And if you want to get even fancier, you can make it shine. You can give it a little bit of white shine. You could give it, you could make it look like it's sparking. And maybe I give it some yellow. And bam, easy to draw, done. So now I have a little bomb for my game. Now we need to add it to our code. So let's go to the code. And remember, we'll need to create some sprites. And we're going to have 3 different bombs for this game. So we're going to create 3 bomb sprites. So first, let's drag in the create sprite and then animation. So for bomb, I'm going to call this bomb 1 because we're going to have 3 bombs. So for bomb 1, I'll leave this number here for now. And I'm going to, for set animation, choose bomb. And if I run it, there's the bomb in the middle. Now, I might want to resize that. That's a little bit big. So I'm going to go and use scale. Remember, scale resizes your sprites. And I'll say bomb 1. For bomb 1, I'm going to change the scale to, let's try half size. 0.5 is half. That's fine. Maybe I want it, let me try 0.75. No, 5. Sometimes you just experiment until you're happy. I like that size. So now we need 3 bombs, right? So we'll, in the next video, move the bombs. But for now, we need 3 bombs. And we're going to need them to start, when they're created, we'll want them at the top of the screen. So before we get to that, let's do this. If you click and drag a box around code, you can copy and paste it. And really, the code for your different bombs is the same, except you're going to change the name of the sprite. So I'm going to select that, copy, paste, because I need 3 bombs. The second one, I'm going to just change these numbers. Instead of bomb 1, this one will be bomb 2. And then the last one will be bomb 3. And you'll notice I'm not changing the animation. The animation can be the same for all 3 of them. I don't have to create new bombs. I am going to separate these a little bit. So I'm going to go in here and use the Enter key to kind of move those down a little bit. So it's easy to see, okay, planet, girl, bomb 1, bomb 2, bomb 3. This is very helpful as we add more details to the game. So now if I reset this, it's not going to look any different because right now the bombs are all being drawn on top of each other. So the next part of this is making your bombs move. So that will be the next video. Thanks for watching this video, and hope you have some cool bombs, and feel free to change them to something else if you'd rather have something else.